Thank you for joining the Mickey Bunch as we bring you along with us as we just returned from Walt Disney World to the Art of Animation Resort. We absolutely love this hotel, we loved our room, and we can't wait to share it with you. So come along, swipe your magic band, and let's see what's inside together. We absolutely loved this hotel. We felt like it was the perfect mix of theming and practicality and comfort. We think you will too. If you are hidden Mickey buffs like we are, look amongst the jungle floor carpet and you will find some hidden Mickeys. We loved the little couch that pulled out to a double sofa. It was super comfy, had its own TV, and this room actually sleeps very comfortably. Six people with three separate sleeping areas. The parents' room is private, and then it was just fantastic. We absolutely love that there's two bathrooms, which made our army of children be able to get in the shower schedule very comfortably. The shower curtain is fantastic, and you can actually buy it down in the ink and paint shop for about $100. So if you want to take a piece of the Art of Animation Hotel home. I have to say, when we arrived in the room, they had an abundance of fresh, clean towels and forks, knives, spoons, coffee creamer, paper towels in the bathrooms and in the little kitchen area. So I think that made it really easy and comfortable. If you need anything extra, you can always call down to the desk. if it's free, it's for me. So I absolutely loved the little trial size shampoo, conditioner, soaps. Fantastic. Absolutely love it. Thank you so much for watching our Lion King Suite room tour. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those down below. We would love to answer anything you're wanting to know about the Art of Animation Hotel, and we definitely recommend it. It was absolutely fantastic for our family. We appreciate all of our subscribers, and really, really, you mean the world to us. If you haven't subscribed yet, but you like our content, please hit the subscribe button and share if you feel like somebody else could benefit from this video. So thank you so much. We love each and every one of you, and please have a very blessed and magical day. See you next time.